In the heart of Silicon Valley, a silent war is being waged, not with code but with emptiness. They call it dopamine fasting, a willing retreat into a sensory void, to starve the brain of pleasure, to reset its circuits, to reclaim control. But what if this war is being fought against a phantom? What if we've completely misunderstood the very molecule we're trying to conquer? This is the story of dopamine, not as the world sees it, but as it truly is. Pop science has sold you a simple lie that dopamine is the pleasure molecule, a chemical reward you get after you do something good. So the logic follows: if you feel distracted, overstimulated, just turn off the tap. Starve the beast. This idea of asceticism, of purification through denial, is ancient. It feels virtuous. It feels powerful. But the brain is not that simple. And the truth about dopamine is far more electrifying. Dopamine is not the reward. It is the engine of motivation. It's the chemical that says, go get it. It's the anticipation, the seeking, the drive towards a potential reward. It's the feeling you get when you see the notification before you even open it. It's the hunger for knowledge when you fall down a rabbit hole of research before you find the answer. Dopamine doesn't give you the pleasure of arrival. It fuels the journey. When you fast from dopamine, you're not resetting your pleasure centers. You're simply blunting your motivation, your drive, your desire to engage with the world. You become anhedonic, not purified, just empty. So why are we so desperate for this illusion of control? Because our motivational systems have been hijacked, not by pleasure, but by the endless, algorithmically perfected promise of it. Each scroll, each swipe, is a microdose of anticipation, a tiny gamble. The dopamine isn't in the funny video you find, it's in the act of scrolling to find it. Dopamine fasting is a desperate, misinformed attempt to solve a real problem. You don't need to wage war on your own brain chemistry. You need to retrain your focus. Let's start with mindfulness, not emptying the mind, but observing its currents without judgment, allowing the urge for distraction to arise and then to pass. Then there is deep work, the practice of sustained, distraction-free concentration. This is how you reclaim your dopamine system, by giving it a worthy, singular goal to chase. The struggle isn't to feel less, it's to direct your wanting towards what truly matters. Stop trying to starve your brain. Start conducting the magnificent, motivational symphony within.